Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD. Welcome to the ASD Physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question asked in the JEE 2023 exam, important for NEET, and from which chapter? SHM, that means simple harmonic motion. Even this chapter is called Oscillations, also in 11th. Okay, so let's go through the question and let's learn in a very beautiful way. Okay, so the question is, the general displacement of a simple harmonic oscillator is x equal to a sin omega t. Okay, and definitely by default it is the undamped oscillation, friction and all is not involved. Now see, let t be its time period, the slope of its potential energy u versus time t curve will be maximum when t equal to capital T by beta. Then what is the value of the beta? Okay, so first remember that here one thing, if we talk about here the slope, so slope means differentiation, differentiation. So which curve is this? U versus t curve. So I can write here du by dt, this slope, and what we want this slope to be maximum. This I want, is it? Then after that we will go further. Now after that, if we talk about here the other details and all that here, see. Now if we talk about here the formula of the potential energy, we know that here u equal to half k x square, is it? Undamped oscillation. Now let's go ahead. Half k x, what is the value of the x is given here? You can see very well, x is given by x equal to a sin omega t. So it will become here a square sin square omega t. Now we have made it a square, is it? Now after that here, if I talk about here differentiation, now du by dt, now I have differentiated according to the question requirement. So what are the things are constant? Anyhow, this half k a square is constant, and we have to do the differentiation of this sin square omega t, is it? I hope so, very very clear. Now after that, what we have to do here, see. Now, so we can write here, see here very well, du by dt, that means the slope. First let's calculate the slope, then we will see maximum in which situation can be. Okay, so anyhow you can see very well here, this is the half k a square into, now differentiation of sin square omega t we have to do. So first we have to use the formula like a d by dt of t to the power n, that means what is the formula? Nt n minus 1. In the same way, if I talk about d by dt of t square, it will be how much here? 2t, is it? So in the same style, d by dt of sin square omega t will be what? It will be 2 sin omega t. What will be? 2 sin omega t. But this sin omega t we have to differentiate it again. Okay, this sin omega t we have to differentiate again, is it? Now after that here we will go further. See here, half k a square into, here we are getting 2 sin omega t into, now we have d by dt of sin omega t. Differentiation of sin omega t, how much here? Remember that here this is the cos omega t. Okay, and still omega t is left, so we have to differentiate again. Omega t again we have to differentiate here. Okay, this is called the chain rule. That means I can write here, see, half k a square into 2 sin omega t into cos omega t. You know the formula, sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. So from that formula, 2 sin omega t cos omega t, I can write here, see, sin 2 omega t, is it? Into, and d by dt of omega t, how much here? It will be omega, is it? So when I will collect all the things and all that here, it will become here, kindly see, this du by dt is equal to omega will come this side, so half k omega a square into sin 2 omega t. This one we have got it here. So what is coming here? Du by dt is coming half k omega a square into sin 2 omega t, is it? Now after that here, see, all these things are there. So space is somewhat less. Now I will just rough it. Anyhow we have did all the things and all. Now after that here, if we will go ahead here, okay, so anyhow we want du by dt is maximum, is it? So for the du by dt to be maximum, see, for du by dt to be maximum, what will happen that here? Half k omega square a is the anyhow constant. Now, and we can tell one more thing, like if this we want maximum, okay, so this sin 2 omega t should be maximum. In that situation only du by dt will be maximum. So for that, what will happen that here? For that, this sin 2 omega t should be maximum, and we can write here plus 1, is it? Now after that, let's simplify this here. Sin 2 omega t is equal to 1 means we can write sin pi by 2, is it? Now students, after that, what will happen that here? Can we see here? Now, so see, anyhow, if we compare both the sides, we can write here 2 omega t is equal to pi by 2. Is it? Now again, 2 omega value how much? We can tell here, see, 2 pi by capital T into small t is equal to pi by 2. Is it? So anyhow, what other things will cancel out? We can cancel out here, see, pi and pi is cancelled. Now, so when you write here the t, so t, this t will come what here? This capital T will go right side, and see 2 into 2, 4, that will go right side of denominator, it will become here 8. Now, so what is coming? T equal to capital T by 8. Is it? And this one we have to compare with how much here? T by beta. So when you will compare this and this, you can see very well this beta is how much here? 8. Is it? So here it is coming here what? So when the beta value is 8, then only the slope of u versus t curve will be maximum. So students, I hope so. This question of SHM you have understood very well. Keep studying, keep going.